God is reminding you that all will be alright this month of December. He will demonstrate that things you believed were impossible for you will become possible. God is telling you that even though people have ignored you, drawn hasty conclusions about you, misunderstood you, and ignored you, this is the moment when they will wish they had surrounded you. Before the year is over, you will return like a phoenix. The gifts I am pouring into you are unstoppable. I want you to let it go, even if you may never know what lies ahead or what actions you will take. Go with the flow. The universe is directing you and ensuring that your goals are only a short distance away from you. Watch how your life gracefully turns out in your favor. I'll make you smile. Your laughter will be all around you this year. I'll mend your shattered heart with promises, and I'll start taking steps to make your dreams come true progressively. I want you to understand your value now that you've acknowledged my presence. This season, let your light shine brightly. Let this season be one that brings out your best qualities. You're going in the right direction. You're going to have better days in your profession, your relationship, your health, and in receiving more affection. Your dark period is over. Welcome the new. Celebrate your victory with the people I intended to support you all the way through. There will be laughter and joy in your life. Possess faith. You will witness the sincerity of the people you love. Your love, believe that your life is only going great this coming year.